I'm Nick Kinsley.
And I'm Philip Whitehall.
And we're here today to talk about our software app,
Recipeasy.
Basically, it's a digital job coach. You are able to take your own customized video content and your own custom pictures to create very specific training for employees to teach them how to do their jobs. We hired 2 individuals from a program called Project Search. Cole, he's on the spectrum, so one day I asked Cole if he would like to make a lemon bar, and then it just snowballed from there. So let me show you a little clip of Cole.
What I do here is that I do baker's ham, both pepper jack and cheddar. I cut sausage as well. For pigs, I do pies for orders in the shop itself. Buttermilk, apple crumb, apple radish, chocolate, coconut, lemon, and cherry. I do Rice Krispies, plain pecan. I do pecan bars and lemon bars, and especially bar crust.
What if more employers were able to use our software to create an environment where those with disabilities could thrive? But we need the funds to get out there more. We need more exposure in the market. We need to attend more functions till we get in front of the people that matter, to get in front of the people that need to see it so that we can expand beyond our small corner of Texas. Thank you for taking the time today to listen to our video. We hope that we can be a part of the FedEx Grant.